What happens when the idle air control valve goes bad? Your car idles when it is turned on but not moving. For instance, when you are waiting at a red light or parked by the roadside and waiting for your passenger to hop on the car for you to drive off. The idle air control valve regulates the airflow that keeps your car idling smoothly. A healthy idle should be smooth and steady, ranging around 600 to 1000 RPMs on the tachometer, which is a needle thingy that shows engine speed. But if your car idles erratically, is rough, stalls a lot, or acts funky, then the idle air control valve, or IAC valve for short, might be damaged. So, what does the IAC valve do? The IAC valve acts like a tiny adjustable air vent, letting in just the right amount of air when your foot is off from the gas pedal. This keeps the engine idling smoothly at the right speed. If you are not familiar with what idling is, well, idling refers to when the engine is running, but the car itself isn't moving. So what happens when the idle air control valve goes bad? Well, here are the signs of a bad IAC valve, or an idle air control valve. 1. Rough idling. The engine shakes and vibrates when idling, feeling like a bumpy ride even when you're parked. 2. Stalling. The engine suddenly dies when you come to a stop or slow down. This can be dangerous and annoying. 3. Fluctuating. Idle. The RPMs jump up and down erratically even when the car is idling in park. It's like the engine can't decide what speed it wants to be at. 4. Trouble starting. A bad IAC valve can make it harder to start your car, especially when cold. 5. Poor acceleration. In some cases, a faulty IAC valve can also affect your car's acceleration performance. You may notice hesitation or sluggishness when accelerating from a stop or at low speeds. 6. Check engine light. If the IAC valve is malfunctioning, it can trigger the check engine light to come on. This is because the engine control module, ECM, may have detected an abnormal idle speed triggering a check engine light. 7. Increased fuel consumption. When the IAC valve is not functioning properly, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture in the engine, leading to inefficient combustion. This can result in increased fuel consumption and reduced fuel economy. 8. Engine surging. Also, a faulty IAC valve may cause the engine to surge or rev up and down unexpectedly, even when the throttle is held steady. This can happen when the valve is stuck in an open or closed position, causing the engine to receive too much or too little air. Why does the IAC valve go bad? Over time, dirt and grime can build up inside the valve, kind of like dust clogging a vent in your house. This can prevent the valve from opening and closing properly, messing up the airflow and causing those idling problems. Fixing a bad IAC valve. There are two main options. 1. Cleaning. Sometimes a simple cleaning with a special spray can remove the gunk and get the valve working again. This is a cheaper option, but it might not be a permanent fix. You may have to watch this video on how to clean the IAC valve. 2. Replacement. If cleaning doesn't work or the valve is damaged, you might need to replace it with a new one. This is a more expensive option, but it will ensure a long-term solution. Should you fix the IAC valve yourself? Cleaning the IAC valve can be a DIY project for those who are comfortable working on their car. However, replacing it might involve more complex steps left for you to decide which option suits you best. You can watch this video here on the step-by-step guide on how to replace, clean, and fix the IAC valve. I will also leave the link to the video in the description box below. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support the channel. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.